Hey guys, we're back to another episode. Today I got me a Logitech Pro X keyboard. This is the 10 keyless model of this, and it is probably one of the most high-end keyboard that you can get out there right now. I've been using this thing for about a month now, and let me just show you real quick, okay? When I say high-end, I'm talking about, have you ever had a keyboard that comes with a case like this? This is a hard case that came with the keyboard. By the way, handle so that you can carry it around. I'm not sure. I mean, did you bring this to a friend's house to game? Is that what this is? Anyway, amazing stuff. Look at this. Beautiful. Inside, you got yourself a little extender, I guess you should say you call this. It does come with a not super long wire. Since this is wireless, you're just using this to charge the keyboard. That's pretty much all that came in right here. Now let's talk about the keyboard real quick, okay? If I hold it like this, you can see that it's pretty tall. All the keycaps is raised up pretty high. Use this camera right here to show you. You see how high those keycaps are? Yeah, so this is very raised. By the way, I did get the brown switch, so if I open that, yeah, it's a brown switch. It's more of a tactile switch, so let's you listen to it, okay? I really like Logitech brown switch because it feels really good whenever you press down on it. You can actually feel that, you know, like a typewriter where you are actually punching the buttons yourself. Feels really good. Anyway, yeah, you can get, you know, the more silent switch on this one, or a blue clicky switch if you want. Doesn't matter which one, but the keyboard itself is really good. You can swap out the switch. This is hot swappable, so you can get new switches if you want. It's one of the very few Logitech keyboard that you can actually swap the switch out whenever you want to. It's really nice. In terms of the keycaps, if you look at this right here, the light do shine through the keycaps, and it shows like the F1 and stuff like that. As for the all the buttons up on the top, like the multimedia keys and stuff like that, it's pretty much the same as some of the other keyboards that I have. So first you got yourself the scroll wheel. It's not clicky, all right? It is smooth. So this one right here, you pretty much used to control the volume. All the media keys right here, and then the standard turn on and off the RGB. This is the game mode button. You can customize this button right here to where you can turn that on, and it'll kill the window key. It'll kill any key that you actually want to set it. I've had a few different keyboards that have this switch, and I always turn it on when I'm gaming. Obviously, this thing has Bluetooth in there as well, so you can switch between the dongle or the Bluetooth. I'm using a Mac over here and also a PC as well, so that's what I'm doing, is that when I'm gaming on the PC, I switch to the dongle. When I use my Mac, I switch to Bluetooth. All right, onto the back. Okay, so 2-level. You can raise the keyboard up. You can stand like that. Or you want to go smaller, you can go smaller. Doesn't raise it up that much. I mean, I'm not sure why you even need that level. You can lay all flat if you want. Power switch right here. And on top of that, here's where you store your dongle. In case you're traveling with it, it's really nice that they have this. I actually love keyboard that comes with this feature right here. Even though I don't use it a lot, but when I do swap out keyboards and I need to store the dongle, there's a place for me to store it. Obviously here you have a hard case to store it in, so no problem there, but you know, this is gonna get lost here. Anyway, sound test for the brown switch. Like I said, it sounds really good, and it feels good when you press on it. I love brown switch for Logitech. Okay, let's plug this thing in and show you what the RGB looks like. Pretty much, if you've ever had a Logitech keyboard, you know it's pretty standard. All right, let the light adjust real quick, and then let's turn this on. See right there. It's very bright. In the dark like this, you can actually see the keys. All the light shine right through it, so you can really see the keys if you want. But bright. I'm not sure you could even see it in the camera, but yeah, there's like 4 different levels of brightness. My light setup right here is really bright, but you can still see the keys shining through. You see that? So there you go, guys. That's the Logitech Pro X 10 keyless keyboard. I love this thing. I actually always love to get Logitech 10 keyless because if you don't need that extra big old pad on the side right there, the numpad, then this is a good size for you. I totally recommend getting 10 keyless. Don't get anything smaller though, because a lot of the 60% and stuff like that, they tend to kill these button right here, which you kind of need for gaming. I feel like, at least. So anyway, 10 keyless is the best way to go. But depending on your preference, you might like the more quieter switch, or you might like a more clicky type, which is feels better on the hand but is really loud. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm out. Bye.